If you're a crypto fan, then you need to hear this mystery. Pi Network just dropped a wild Binance or Amazon challenge. Dive in as we break down clues, rumors, and what this could mean for your wallet. The answer might surprise you. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most intriguing mysteries in the crypto world. Pi Network has been making waves with cryptic messages that seem to hint at major partnerships. But are they really teaming up with Binance, Amazon, or is this all just speculation? The crypto community is buzzing with theories, and today we're going to separate fact from fiction. First, let's establish what Pi Network actually is. Founded by Stanford PhD graduates in 2019, Pi Network aims to create the world's most widely used cryptocurrency. Unlike Bitcoin, Pi can be mined directly from your smartphone without draining your battery or data. This accessibility has attracted millions of users worldwide. With over 35 million engaged pioneers, Pi Network has built one of the largest crypto communities before even launching on mainnet. Currently, Pi is in its enclosed mainnet phase, meaning the cryptocurrency isn't yet tradable on external exchanges. The team has been working toward an open mainnet launch, which would allow Pi to be traded freely. This transition period has created intense speculation about potential partnerships and exchange listings. Now let's examine the Binance connection. Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume. Getting listed on Binance is considered the holy grail for new cryptocurrencies, often leading to massive price increases and mainstream adoption. Pi Network's recent social media activity has included several posts that crypto detectives believe contain hidden references to Binance. Let's examine the evidence. First, there were the mysterious tweets containing what appeared to be coded messages. When decoded, some community members claim these messages spell out BN, potentially referring to Binance. However, skeptics argue this could be confirmation bias, seeing patterns where none exist. But wait, there's another theory gaining traction. Some believe Pi Network is actually hinting at an Amazon partnership. Amazon Web Services could provide the massive infrastructure needed for Pi Network's global scaling ambitions. Imagine using Pi to make purchases on Amazon. This would instantly give the cryptocurrency real-world utility. Amazon has been quietly filing blockchain-related patents and exploring cryptocurrency integration. The timing of Pi Network's cryptic messages coincides suspiciously with Amazon's increased blockchain activity. Such a partnership would be unprecedented and could revolutionize how we think about cryptocurrency adoption. To get a professional perspective, let's consider what crypto analysts are saying about these theories. Most experts remain cautiously optimistic, but warn against reading too much into cryptic social media posts. The reality is that both partnerships would be game-changing, but they remain unconfirmed speculation. So what's the verdict? Are we looking at Binance, Amazon, or neither? The truth is, only Pi Network's core team knows for certain. These cryptic challenges could be marketing genius or genuine hints. What we do know is that Pi Network has successfully generated massive buzz and community engagement. What do you think? Binance, Amazon, or something else entirely? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more crypto mysteries.